Symmetrics continues to grow every day, with new ways to control third-party equipment as well as our own. One of the simplest ways to control our IP-based equipment, which can also assist in troubleshooting, is being able to remotely reboot the unit without having to touch a single cable or power supply device. Opening the design view of a Composer site file, drag in a one-button momentary module as well as a network string output. This example uses a 4-button module which would be useful for being able to reboot multiple units within a site file. Wire the momentary button to the network string output module as shown here, then label the momentary button if appropriate for organization and clarity. Now, open the network string output modules. We can see the modules have been previously filled out with the correct information. The string output field is where the command to be sent will be entered. The IP address is which device we're sending the command to. And the network port is the port the command will be sent over. In Symmetrics' case, we communicate over 48630. The command, R exclamation, with the proper carriage return is the command to reboot a device. Clicking the on button for the W1 remote reboots it, as we can tell by the green location check disappearing and eventually reappearing. The same is true for the Radius NX4x4. However, what if we want to reboot the device that the command is originating from? In this case, the Radius NX12x8 is at this IP address. We can reboot the Radius using this method, but be aware that to send any other reboot commands, you will need to wait until it comes back online, as the commands are being sent from this same DSP. This can also be sent to the local host address, which is 127.0.0.1. If working in Composer, you must be online to test this functionality. Once the DSP is back in location, repush online and continue testing reboot commands. This momentary on button can now be assigned to an external controlling device like a W-Series or ARC-Series remote, SimView control screen, or even a third-party controller to easily reboot a given unit remotely.